Okay, this one is for the thick-haired girls. You know when you spend forever blow drying your hair, somehow it still ends up looking bigger, frizzier, and more chaotic than when you started? It's my hair with a regular blow dryer. I always joke that it turns into a full lion's mane. So I started using this high-speed ionic dryer, and the biggest difference isn't even how fast it dries. It's how much smoother my hair looks afterward. Like, airflow is super powerful, so I'm not standing here forever drying thick hair. It takes half the time. But what I really love is the cooling setting. Once my hair is dry, I hit it with that cool air to help smooth everything down and tame all those little flyaways that usually show up the second I'm done styling. My hair ends up looking shinier, smoother, and way less puffy. If you have thick, frizzy, unruly hair like mine, you know that's half the battle. This is one of those products that makes your hair look like you spent more time on it than you actually did. Tap that cart and check it out.